Hey guys, it's Isha. Today I'm gonna show you all how to get started a bujo. So for now, who doesn't know what a bujo is, short for bullet journal. I'm gonna explain what is a bullet journal is basically a customized planner that you have started from the scratch. So you make the calendar where you can put all your appointments, reminders, dates, and information that you would normally put in a planner. So it all goes to the bullet journal. So you can also kind of think of it's an illustrated planner that you are making from the scratch. Bujo is a safe place to write all the information at the same time making a beautiful art. So first we make the index for our bullet journal. Then we make keys column where you can put the keys or symbols for different appointments or dates or reminders. Then we have this 2020 goals page where you can write your goals for the rest of the year. Then the next page is about future log. Future log is like you see the whole calendar, whole year in one page where you can write what is the main purpose or goal for the month or birthdays or any special event for that month, particular for that month. So here I am making small doodles of plants. So I like doodling when it comes to bullet journal. It's kind of cute and you can go for endless themes in doodling. It improves your art skills, plus you don't have to be a professional to draw doodles. You can go with your comfort, you can draw anything you want as it's your bullet journal and no one can judge you on that. So basically it's a management goal page where you can put your goals, like where you want to see yourself in a year, or goals you want to achieve every month or every week. For example, on every Mondays you want to create something, on every Thursdays you want to practice something, and on every Saturdays you want to go somewhere. So it's like a specific day or a specific monthly goal you want to achieve. So next is our idea page where you can write about your ideas for something or life. Sometimes you get an idea and forget it by night, so this can be the best way to conserve it, I guess. And this is the page for product details. I'm making this bullet journal for someone who do business, so she can write new ideas about her products or any detail she wants to add in her current list. So you can style your headings differently for different pages. As you can see, I am doing different kinds of headings in all the different pages. So yeah, you can get an inspiration from it, or you can do Pinterest or Instagram for more inspirations and ideas. So next is our growth chart where you can analyze or evaluate your growth in different aspects of life. I think evaluating ourselves is important to make ourselves better in life. So yeah, you can make this page if you want in your bullet journal. we can now start with our monthly spread. The theme I select here is very basic, only lines with different warm colors. Anyone can draw this theme as you are a beginner, and you can go for something simple yet beautiful. And you don't have to be professional here. So the whole concept is to enjoy your everyday journey and of course planning it as well. So here's our monthly calendar. To see the calendar in one page, and with it I have made a business and personal goal column also. Sorry, I lost the clip of making these pages. So next we have is a habit tracker, where you can write a habit you want to follow for the month, and you can color the circle when it is achieved. So here I make 30 circles, one for each day, and now making lines, of course following the theme. So next is our expense or financial tracker. Here I'm making this easy and beautiful art. I have seen it on Instagram and TikTok. People having fun making this art, so I am making this one here, and I'm using a light color. So when I make a financial tracker, it can be used as a background picture. So here comes our weekly spread. Again I am using the same theme, lines, and I'm making these lines to divide the columns for each day. As you can see, you can make this weekly spread a whole theme without being any professional in art, and yes, it is looking beautiful. And yes, this is what bullet journal is.